let's recheck and see if we've passed everything. So all requirements are checked passed, so we can go ahead to the next step. So right now we need to do what? We need to create a database. So guys, so if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we drop fantastic projects just like this. So my name is Prosper and you're welcome to the tutorial, and in this round we'll show you guys how you can create a database for your website. Now every website needs a database because that is where all the storage credential goes in, such as when a user creates an account, the user's credential is going to be stored in the database. You want to sign in, you want to sign out, your cookies, your everything that goes on your website stores in the database. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create a database for your website. So quickly, let's go on to our cPanel right here. So once you're in your cPanel, you just come right here to the search bar and you click on data. So you check the first one, which is database wizard. So it's going to prompt you on how you're going to create your database without an error. So I'm going to call these pings. So I'll just say pings. Then you're going to create a database password. So just enter the password that is familiar with your finger. So I'm entering the one that I know very well. So you're going to click on create. So on this point, you're going to click on all privileges. You're going to enable what? All privileges. You don't have anything outstanding because you don't know if you have one unchecked, it's going to cause for errors at the long run. So have all permission, all privileges, right? So you come right here and click on next step also. So currently now our database has been created. So we're going to use the database to configure our website, configure our web app, configure whatsoever projects we are running on the internet. Okay, so this is a database user and this is our database mainly. So this is what I mostly do. I create my database user, same text name. So I can use one for both. It's just my own logic. You can have yours different name. Okay, all good. So you come right here to where you have your site. So I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it. So your database host is mostly local host. So you're going to type it all lower cases, local host. Then your database password, you're going to enter your database password which you created. So that is which that I typed in. So now your admin credential, you're going to enter your admin credential. So you just enter any admin credential of your choice. It's left to you. Just enter any admin credential of your choice. So you're going to click on install now. So our site is being installed. So your system has been installed successfully. Valid license. Please rate us 5-star on Code Crayon and the rest. So it also said that we should delete the install folder so that our site don't rerun into the installation process often and often, even when we had already installed it. So let's go to website and activate. So let's see our website. So voila, our site is loading and it's successful.